very experimental setup with a 4S attempt. So the Vulcan was designed to be 3S, but we've got a 4S fan and a 4S battery. Unfortunately the drone battery is a little bit too big, which brings the centre of gravity a long way forward.
Hence the tail weight.
Lump of lead on the tail, and it's already a heavy airframe.
This has got 4 servos rather than 2.
But in theory, we should have almost 1-to-1. No, it's not 1-to-1, but about 0.8 thrust to weight.
Right.
From 0.5.
So it should fly like a rocket.
Yeah, hopefully upwards, not down into the ground. Easy.
Non-event. This is the first time we've tried flying a Vulcan on tours. Heavier than usual. Seems to be flying alright. Can climb. Yeah. So how's it flying?
What's it like, Dominic?
Fast.
Fast. That's the speed.
Very cool.
Okay, look at it climb.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely not 1-to-1.
No, it still is slowing down, I'd say. Well, I think it's high static, but it's slow down.
9 EDF, you can sort of expect that, yeah.
It's such a slippery design. Now I noticed tracks under half.
Wow.
It's under half.
Under half power.
And it's a cruise. Okay, landing. Not actually. I'm sure it'll still flying.
Beautiful. Yeah, not a problem. Hey, good one.
Retrieving. I'm clear. Hi, Alpha.
I'm taking off.
I'm filming.
Oh. Well, it hasn't melted the speed control either. Good. But that's because it should be drawing virtually no amps. So at full power it's drawing 41 amps on a 40 amp speed.
Ooh.
But I checked the specs and they say 41 amps is fine. 45. Oh, feel it's actually quite hot. Yeah, no, we'll get the lid off that.